How to address the sign of aging in the neck. Here at Beaty Facial Plastic Surgery, we offer two treatments to address aging in the neck. We do Ultherapy and Profound. Ultherapy, also known as Ulthera, uses ultrasound technology to stimulate collagen and skin tightening, while Profound uses or utilizes radiofrequency microneedling, and that is RF microneedling, to stimulate collagen, hyaluronic acid, and elastin for skin tightening. We often combine both treatments, both Ultherapy and Profound, for optimal results. Reason being, Ultherapy goes to deeper layers, whereas Profound is more superficial. So combining those two treatments together, you are going to get the optimal results to actually address the aging of the neck. Come see us here at Beaty Facial Plastic Surgery, where we would recommend the best suitable treatment plan that will work for you.